Will artificial intelligence replace developers? There's only one way to know this for sure. Let's ask artificial intelligence itself.
Artificial intelligence has the potential to automate certain tasks, but it is unlikely to replace developers. While AI can be used to automate some aspects of software development, such as code completion, it cannot replace the creativity, critical thinking and problem-solving skills of human developers. AI systems are dependent on the data they are trained on and the algorithms used to develop them. Human developers bring a wide range of skills to the table, which allows them to approach problems from different angles and come up with creative solutions.
Well, it seems artificial intelligence is not so sure that it can replace developers, but maybe it's just deceiving us on purpose. What do you think? Drop me a comment.